Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is your client-side scripting with your JavaScript. Okay, you might have heard this term, that is scripting language. So there are various types of languages are there, like your programming language and scripting languages. Okay, so there are some difference between your programming languages and scripting languages, although the scripting languages are nothing but the programming languages. Okay, so today we will see the introduction of the script and the client side script and your types of scripting languages. Okay, so here I can say that whenever we are developing any web pages, so we use this scripting language to enhancement of the performance of your web page. Okay, so the web script, a computer programming language for adding the computer programming language which adding some of the dynamic capabilities in your world wide web. And actually this web page is markup with your hypertext markup language as well as your extendable markup languages. Okay, so which are largely static documents. So web scripting can add some of the information to the page as a reader uses it, or let the reader enter the information that way. Okay, so here there are client side scripting and also there are सर्वर साइड स्क्रिप्टिंग्स. ओके, सो सर्वर साइड स्क्रिप्टिंग में कुछ लैंग्वेजेस है एंड योर क्लाइंट साइड स्क्रिप्टिंग में भी आपका कुछ लैंग्वेजेस है. ओके, so let us start. A scripting language is a programming language that is interpreted, meaning it is translated into the machine code when the code is run rather than beforehand. Some of the examples of the scripting languages are your Python, Ruby, JavaScripts as well. So here we can say that its scripting language uses a program known as an interpreter to translate the commands and are directly interpreted from the source code, and it doesn't require the compilation steps, उसको नहीं चाहिए होता है. So in the other hand, अब हम लोग बोलेंगे तो other programming languages may require a compiler to translate commands into the machine code before it can execute those commands. Okay, so दिस स्क्रिप्टिंग लैंग्वेजेस को हम लोग नॉर्मली स्क्रिप्टिंग और स्क्रिप्ट भी बोल सकते हैं, विच इज़ प्लेनली डिफाइंड एज अ सीरीज ऑफ कमांड्स यूज करता है दैट आर एबल टू बी एग्जीक्यूटेड विदाउट द नीड फॉर कंपाइलिंग. सो वाइल ऑल द स्क्रिप्टिंग लैंग्वेजेस हम लोग बोल सकते हैं कि दैट आर प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस, बट नॉट ऑल द प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस आर द स्क्रिप्टिंग लैंग्वेजेस. सो सम ऑफ देम आर पाइथन, रूबी, जावास्क्रिप्ट जो भी हुआ, या आपकी PHP हो सकता है, आपका पर्ल हो सकता है. ओके, सो द लेटेस्ट ट्रेंड इज योर जावास्क्रिप्ट एंड पाइथन में आप जब जो भी आप आज जो वेब बेस्ड डिज़ाइन सब देख रहे हो, दैट आर मेनली यूज्ड विथ developed by using your JavaScript as well as your Python. So there are different types of scripting languages. आपका client side scripting एक होता है, आपका server side scripting होता है एक. Okay, so client side scripting जब हम लोग बोल रहे हैं, that means what? This is written in your client side. Okay, which means that client side programming is the name for all the programs which are run on the client. So why we use this, that it makes the interactive web pages, it makes stuff happen dynamically on the web page. Okay, so one thing is that कि हम लोग जब web script बोल रहे हैं, so it is a computer programming languages for adding some dynamic capabilities to the worldwide web pages. So these web pages which are markup with your hypertext markup language as well as your जो extensible markup language, which are largely the static documents होता है. So this web scripting can add some information to this web page as a reader uses it, or let the reader enter the information. Okay, so Here, what are the difference between your client-side scripting and your server-side scripting? So client-side scripting में normally हम लोग का क्या होता है ना, the source code is visible to the user because या client साइड में उनका ब्राउजर में हम लोग यूज कर रहे हैं, मीन इट रन्स ऑन योर यूजर्स कंप्यूटर. Okay, so here the source code is not visible to the users because its output of the server side is a HTML page. Here it usually depends on browser and its version. Here in this, any server side technology can be used as, and it does not depend on the client. It runs on user's computer and this is run on your web servers. And there are many advantages of your client side scripting, that is faster and like your faster your response times, more interactive applications, its functionalities. Okay, so here the primary advantages is its ability to highly customize and response requirements, access rights based on the user requirements. तो here it does not provide security for the data, जो कि हम लोग normally जो HTML का स्क्रिप्ट जो मार्कअप लैंग्वेज है उसका टैग सब लिखते हैं एंड डिज़ाइन करते हैं, these are not much more secure. Okay, so here it provides more security for the data. And it is a technique used in web development in which scripts run on the client's browser. Here it is the technique that uses scripts on web server to produce a response that is customized for each client request. So here the examples are HTML, जो cascading style sheets, and the JavaScripts. Sometimes these JavaScripts are uses in your server side scripting also. So here these are PHP, Python, Java, Ruby. Okay, these are used in your server side scripting. Okay, these are that same thing. PHP, the most popular web server side language which used on the web. ASP.NET, Node.js, Java, Ruby, Perl, Python. Okay, and your सर्वर साइड स्क्रिप्टिंग में आपका आता, सॉरी, दिस इज द क्लाइंट साइड स्क्रिप्टिंग, दिस इज योर सर्वर साइड स्क्रिप्टिंग. सो क्लाइंट साइड स्क्रिप्टिंग में आपका आता है HTML. ओके, दैट इज द फाउंडेशन ऑफ द वेब डेवलपमेंट. वाइल वी आर स्टडिंग अबाउट दिस मार्कअप लैंग्वेज, या फिर जो भी वेब डेवलपमेंट के लिए जो भी लैंग्वेज हम लोग पहले पढ़े, दैट इज योर हाइपर टेक्स्ट मार्कअप लैंग्वेज. देन द कैस्केडिंग स्टाइल शीट्स, योर जावा स्क्रिप्ट्स. सो दो टिपिकली क्लाइंट साइड कैन बी जो भी प्रोग्राम है वेब डेवलपमेंट में यूज़ किया जाता है, जावास्क्रिप्ट यूज़ होता है, बट इट कैन ओकेजनली बी यूज ऑन द सर्वर साइड एज वेल. So there are various applications of your scripting languages. Okay, so these are used in many areas, both on or off of the web. Okay, so the first हम लोग बोल सकते हैं कि एप्लीकेशन में हम लोग कि this scripting languages are used in the web application and it is used in server side as well as the client side also. And ये जैसे कि आप देखें कि सर्वर साइड स्क्रिप्टिंग में कौन कौन सा लैंग्वेज यूज़ करते हो, क्लाइंट साइड स्क्रिप्टिंग में कौन कौन सा लैंग्वेज यूज़ करते हो. एंड दिस स्क्रिप्टिंग लैंग्वेज ऑल्सो यूज्ड इन द सिस्टम एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, फॉर एग्जाम्पल योर सेल, पर्ल, या पाइथन स्क्रिप्ट्स हुआ, एक्सेट्रा. ओके, सो इट्स यूज्ड इन गेम एप्लीकेशन डेवलपमेंट के लिए या फिर मल्टीमीडिया के लिए भी आप यूज़ करते हो. ओके, सो देर आर वेरियस गेम्स आर ऑल्सो देयर. And the next thing is that it used to create plugins and extensions for the existing applications, उसके लिए use होता है. So there are various advantages of your scripting languages, like your easy to learn हो सकता है, आपका fast editing हो सकता है, आपका interactivity, आपका functionality. So easy to learn which means क्या, and other things are क्या कि no requirement to compile although occasionally it is necessary, and easy to transfer between the operating system होता है. And scripting languages make the web page look awesome and easier to learn and write, and script can be used as a prototype जो कि एक toy implementation होता है to the programs, saving time on the test projects. What are the disadvantages of your scripting languages is your there are not a whole lot of cons to using scripting language. So one con is the fact that some companies don't want scripts to be read by everyone, so they use server side scripts to avoid releasing them to the public. So also installing an interpreter program can be hassle होता है, difficult होता है. Finally sometimes scripts are slower as compared to your programs. So there are various types of scriptings, that is your glue language आपका होता है, editor language होता है, job control language होता है, and cells होता है, that is your cell script, graphical user interface होता है, application specific language होता है, extensible extension and embedded language होता है. Okay, so I can explain it, I will explain it in your next class in details. Okay.